Hello everyone, this is Curtis again. Hey, I'm in the kitchen and I'm finna fix something else here. Gonna have some pasta. Yeah, I'm having a little pasta dinner here. What I have, it's gonna be with some meatballs and all and some sauce and all. And just gonna have a quick little meal here that I got a few items I'm gonna put together. Something that I normally do during the week, and I just wanna, change up, have a nice little pasta dinner. So let me share with you what I'm gonna have. The products that I'm gonna be using is let me show you. These right here. Mini Penne Mini Penne Rinati. Yeah, you can see right here. This is what I'm talking about. This right here. So I'm gonna take these, put some of these in a pot. I already have some water over here boiling. So I'm gonna put them in here. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This right here. As you can see, I already have my water boiling right there. See, it's all steaming, so I'm gonna take that and put that in there. And I'm gonna have some of this here right here. As you can see right there, I'm gonna have some of this here meat flavored sauce that I'm gonna mix in with that. And now the meatballs, well, I'm gonna have some of these Italian style beef meatballs. Got a big bag of that. I picked it up at Sam's. So this is something gonna be quick and easy. Now I have a video where I have fixed my own meatballs and all, where I get the ground beef and I get some of the sausage, pork sausage and meat, and combine that together to make my own meatballs. But I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that today. So what I wanted to do, I just say, well, I just make this a quick one. I'll pick up a bag of these, and all you have to do is just warm them, and then just combine that together, and you'll have a nice little pasta dinner here. So that's what I'm gonna be doing tonight. I'm just sharing a little meal that I put together there, So it's quick and easy, and doesn't take much time. So let me get that bag open here, guys, so I can put them off into that hot steaming water and let it. Once it boils them through, then I'll take and I'll pour all that starch off of that, and then I will take and put the sauce in there and then add the meatballs to it, and we'll have a good little pasta meal here. So give me a minute and let me go on and get that together, and I'll be back and I'll share this here quick little meal that I'm putting together here in the kitchen. All right. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is the way the pennies are looking after I put them into the water and it's boiling and everything. And also I got some of those meatballs out right here, and I warmed them up, added a little water there just to give them, just take some of the little, it was frozen, so that kind of just dissolved some of the salt and all of that off of it, put it in a little bit of water there. So that helps that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here pasta here, and I'm going to take and drain that, drain all the water off, and then I'm going to take and add the sauce to it, and then I'll put some more meatballs in there. Okay, stay tuned. Let me get that together. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got everything all together. So it was real simple and easy to put this here together. And I put, just take your time and you can put your little quick meal together and just dig in. But let's take a look at it. Guys. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. See, got everything all prepared here. Got some of that, got some of it out of the pot here, and the meatballs and all, and I put it over here in a bowl right here. So right now, you know what time it is. It's time to taste some of this here. Oh yeah, it's time to have some of this. So let me see if I can share a little bit with y'all of me tasting, doing a taste test on this here. That's what I'm finna do. I'm gonna see if I can taste this here and see what it's like with the pastry on that. Oh yeah, let's see here. Let me see, guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good flavor. Good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh yeah. Good little pasta down here. Mm. I like the sauce on it. Mm. Some of this meatball here. Oh yeah. Mm. I must say these meatballs are good and juicy. Mm. Yeah. Well guys, that's another quick meal. Didn't take too long to fix. So you know what to do. Hey, you can pick up some meatballs and some of those pennies and put you one together. Or you know you can even do the spaghetti and all. But this is good, guys. So something quick to put together. But anyway, guys, let me get out of here. I'm gonna I gotta go and finish this up. So it's calling me. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be sharing something else that I put together soon. I'm out of here for now.